Okay, in this problem, we are doing a comparison between two different situations. So what we're going to do first is have a look at what the question is saying. So Erin's got $3,000 saved. She's planning to go on holidays in 2 years and 6 months. Her parents have offered her 5% simple interest on her savings, and her aunt has said that she will offer her 4.85% compounded monthly until she goes on her holiday. What we're trying to find is where Erin is going to get the best deal from her parents' idea or the account at Marion Bank. So first of all, we're going to put in all of the information that we know. The one from the parents is just talking about simple interest. So we're just going to use the simple interest equation, which is SI equals principal times interest times the number of years. Remember that the principal is going to be the amount we start off with, so 3,000. The interest, when we use simple interest, has to be a decimal, so you can either write 5 over 100, or you could also write 0.05. And the number of years is 2 years, 6 months, so that is 2.5 years. Just make sure you don't write 2.6. So to answer this, we've got 3,000 times by 5% times 2.5, and that is going to give us a total of $375. Now remember that when we're talking about simple interest, the formula is just going to give us the amount of interest. When we do compound and we use the graphics calculator package for compound interest, that's going to give us the total value of the investment at the end of the investment. So let's have a look at what we've got. Again, we're going to start off with 3,000. So we're going to say negative 3,000 because we're giving that to the bank. She's not making any regular payments, so PMT is 0. The interest rate is going to be 4.85. The future value is what we don't know, so we just put an arrow or a question mark just to remind ourselves that we don't know that yet. You can just set that to 0 in your calculator. It's compounded monthly, so the compound is 12, and if we don't know the PY, we just put that as 12 as well. The N value is going to be the years times by PY, which is going to be 2.5 times by 12, which we're going to get 30 out of that. So now we've got all our bits of information, we can just plug that straight into our calculator, being careful to make sure that the PV is negative. And what we will get for our FV is that it is $3,385.89. Remembering that we're comparing these two, so you do need to finish this with an answer. So if we look at the simple interest, we would have 3,000 plus 375, which is just short of what we would get with compound. So Erin should choose Marion Bank. Or if you just write, Erin should choose her aunt's option.